Good morning. It's Kathleen with So Charming Quilts. Usually Diane is the one behind the camera, or in front of the camera I should say, but she is behind the camera this time. She has been a busy, busy girl doing all of our quilts in the month. Well, some of them anyway. We kind of shared that duty because it's so much fun. So if you haven't joined us recently for our quilt of the month, this one is April, and we will be working on May's because it's May. This was March. It's pretty awesome, and we're going to continue on. But today we have an unboxing because we haven't had one in a while, and we desperately need one because it is just too much fun to just not have one, right? Yeah. So right now we have our Ombre Stars. Let me see if I can take the wrapping off. You know, they wrap these things so well, it's like, good luck pulling it apart. But this is really awesome. If you got some of your, coming up to summer, if you've got some of your patriotic patterns coming up, this fabric is awesome. It's Ombre Stars in blue, and I think we have another one in red. Yep, I was right. We have another one in red. Yay! So as you know, ombre means that it gets lighter and darker, more concentrated with stars, and then more open with stars across the fabric. But it's so yummy. I love it. It's beautiful.
It'd be perfect for all those patriotic and Memorial Day.
Absolutely, absolutely. You want to get you some of this. And not to let April showers avoid May flowers, we definitely have some flowers for May. We have our poppies here. Nice floral toss here of red poppies. Oh, I think when we ordered this, we really loved this one. We just couldn't resist. It was so beautiful. All these tossed wildflowers, which goes perfectly coming up to summer. These beautiful, beautiful wildflowers. So awesome. I love them. I love flowered fabric. And I like that this one isn't, the flowers aren't too big and they aren't too small. Kind of gives you a nice little mix. Ooh, we got more flowers coming.
And there's lots of colors in that too.
There is. So you can do a lot of really good matching for this. It's very nice. And we have our Candace bag. I'll show you that in a minute. The Candace bag is great, and some of these fabrics would be really nice with the Candace bag. Here we have some lilac, blue and yellow flowers. A nice little mix here. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Don't worry, there's more. I think we got our Bohemian Rhapsodies this time. I think we got some more Bohemian Rhapsodies. We shall find out, won't we? This box is a little too big to put up on the table. Yep, I was right. Got a lot of our Bohemian Rhapsodies here. We got a nice color mix this time. So we have, this is our mellow yellow. We didn't have enough yellow going on in the studio, so we needed to spice it up a little bit. It looks bright and sunshiny. And I love the patterning on it. The Bohemians are so awesome. We have several of them. I think we have like four or five of them already. But now we have mellow yellow. And who doesn't love? This one is the color of money. Who doesn't love the color of money?
That's a pretty color.
It is a pretty color, and it even goes well with the
yellow.
With the yellow.
The mellow yellow.
It's a nice bright green for springtime. It's gorgeous. I love this. The nice thing about this is the Bohemian Rhapsody also is like, I think it's also like an ombre. See, you can get one side of it is pearly light and the other side is mostly dark. And what works for that is if you have some small pieces where you like the pattern, but you need it to be light or dark, you can cut your pieces based on where the light and the dark fall, so you can actually get a slightly different colorway with it. It's very cool. Now this one, Diane's gonna love.
This is gonna be my favorite.
This is Diane's favorite because everybody knows that she loves the color gray. She likes all the nice, beautiful neutrals, but this is one of her favorite blenders already. And it's called Smoke. Nope, I'm wrong. We have Smoke. This is a touch of gray. This is a touch of gray.
Very pretty.
It is very
pretty.
I know Diane's already going to probably buy me out of that. This is really awesome. This is Raspberry Beret. Yeah, isn't that pretty? That is so, so pretty. What a beautiful, it's like a cross between a pink and a purple.
That is a beautiful color.
It's a beautiful color. I just love it.
And next to that gray.
Oh, somebody's planning another quilt.
Somebody doesn't need another quilt.
Yeah, you only have, now this.
Oh, that one's pretty too. Oh.
I know what this one would work for. We have several customers who just love the blue and the teals together, and this does not disappoint. This does not disappoint. Look at that. Striking colors. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't think I can say love it enough. But this is very nice. What color is that one? The Ocean.
Ocean.
Woo. All right. And not to be leaving the reds or the oranges out of the bunch. This is King Crimson. I'm sure. Yep, this is King Crimson. It's nice. Really nice. It's kind of an orangey red color. It kind of crosses over between the two, which works. Of course, with the blue, it works.
Mm-hmm. Gorgeous colors.
It's because they're opposite each other on the color wheel. And I'm not sure what happened here. Somehow, they sent us the same color or similar color twice. No, maybe this is Sandcastle, but I don't think it's Sandcastle. This can't possibly be Sandcastle. This one, I was wrong. This one's not mellow yellow. That's Sandcastle. This is mellow yellow. It's hard when they don't actually put the color names on the bolt. They actually put the letters for it. So we have to try to guess sometimes.
And sometimes their letters don't match.
Yes, and I should have looked. This one is mellow yellow. This one is called Sandcastle, which looks more yellow to me. Isn't that funny? But it looks great. I mean, it doesn't matter how you slice it. These colors will all work really well together. And going back to our patriotic, we have our indivisible stars. But now, just to cement that in, we have our fireworks. Who doesn't love a great 4th of July fireworks, right?
I can already see some projects with that too.
Absolutely. These would make great placemats, table runner. Actually, we have a pattern called Heroes Wave. It is a table runner plus 4 placemats that uses the patriotic fabrics. And it would be great to do it in these colors. This would be so awesome. That's our unboxing for this time. Stay tuned for the next time. And of course, if you see us on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or Pinterest even, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a shout out anywhere in the comments. It'd be great. We'd love to hear from you and see what you're working on this week or this month or this summer even. We're busy. We're hip deep in quilts and fabrics. So we do have a long arming service. We have a die cutting service if you just get frustrated with having to cut out 50 million different pieces. Some people love it, some people don't, but we have that service available. You can find out more on our website. We also have a kids camp coming this summer, but we have limited space. So if you want to get in, you gotta sign up. You can call our studio to sign up because we don't have the registration form on the site just yet. It's coming though. And as always, we love to help brighten your day with more fabric and lots of quilts.